Get your chipper nigga tired.
So hey dudes, how you doing? So it's another wig video, but it's a little bit different this time because even though I'm going to talk you through what I'm doing, you can see for yourself what actually happens. But I want to talk to you about basically trusting, like, you know, vendors on either AliExpress or, you know, certain types of hair vendors, and it's really hard to find a really good vendor to give you good wigs. I always recommend Msbuy hair. They was called Come In By Hair before, but now it's Msbuy hair. But the wigs that I always get from them, it's like they're like everyday, like they're just really beautiful wigs, and I rarely have to do anything to them. So like I'm always really gassed and happy when I get their wigs. Like I love the curly ones, I love the straight ones, I love the kinky ones. There's just something about the wigs, it just feels like real hair. It just feels like you can do a lot with it, and it always looks really good, and the hairline always looks great without having to do anything to it. So imagine if you do things to it, it'll look absolutely awesome. As usual, I just use like my got to be glued spray just to stick those down. I never really use like the proper like gel one. I just use that and it works. And I just cut baby hairs in the front, and then I just use my normal gel and stick it down, and that's like my routine when I put these on. And like after I've cut the baby hairs and I do put it on again, it takes me about 5 to 6 minutes to actually put this wig on, have it laid, and I'm out the door. So it's actually like really good. So I do say if you do want really good quality wigs, then definitely check them out. Absolutely amazing. This wig, by the way, is a 360 wig. I rarely tie up my wigs because I just don't know how to like do it until it's like absolutely perfect, and I don't want to walk around looking like a crazy person. But I will show you what it looks like at the back. So guys, just please enjoy the rest of the video and how I slay this hair really easily. And as soon as I wore this, I actually went out with my friend. So literally perfect wig. And I know a lot of people have been asking me how I did my hair and what hair it is. So here's the video. Quick, simple, easy, fleeky, and it's just amazing. So yeah, enjoy the vid, my loves.
Get your shit pretty on any side, mama smile, yo. Skin clean, thick eyes, blush bright, so me have a choice. Bounce to me now, raise your standard on the ground to me now. Bounce to me now. Glow my baby, you man in your life and it a show my baby. When he plans me I feel my baby, until me get my first man and you're my baby. Glow my baby, you man in your life and it a show my baby. When he plans me I feel my baby, until me get my first man and you're my baby. Why you get anything you like, long as you are right and me alright. Me know you're mad, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes right, you see mom have the papa side, so back it up me no behind.
Guys, how you doing? How are you doing? So everybody has told me to call this the revenge wig, and I can see why. It's absolutely freaking awesome. So you know that girl Selena, yeah, she had like hair like this in it, freaking like insane. And the joke is, yeah, these wigs are so cheap. I always get the best black wigs from Msbuy because like they just look really good, and I never have to do anything to them. Like look at this. I think this is about 20, actually this is about 24 inches. It goes all the way down. Yeah, it goes all the way down there, and it's a 360 lace wig with it's like a natural color, so it's not jet black, but it always looks jet black to me. The front is pre-plucked and it has baby hairs. What I need to just do is pluck that bit, and then I put concealer in it, and it's just like absolutely like perfect. You know what I mean? Like this is like the best revenge wig. I'm the trap Selena. Gasoline. Skirt. Literally, when they come back, you're like, skirt. But yeah guys, I really hope that you like this mini tutorial on this beautiful wig. There's not much I can say about it, just that I think it's an investment. This is my everyday wig now. Listen, I have another one that's similar to this, yeah, but it's a bit more bushy and you don't love it. But now I love this one. Like the curls are just mad. It's so soft. It doesn't really shed that much, only a little bit, and that was because I actually cut the lace, so I need to brush it out. I haven't brushed it out yet. These are literally like the natural curls without being brushed out. It's mad. It's like bare mad. But yeah guys, all the link for the hair, the link for this hair will be in the description bar below if you do want to check it out and you do want to purchase it. This is like really nice hair. Like, I've missed doing hair reviews. Like, this is literally really buff, like buff. But yeah, I don't do 10-minute long hair reviews because that's boring. But yeah, I just want to come by and show you what I go on with this, you know what I mean? Like, hello, it's sick. And I know you lot will look so beautiful wearing this wig as well, so definitely get your hands on it and tell me what you think in the comment section below. Love you guys and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and click the notification bell and press like and all that jazz. Okay, in a bit.